Part of the mission of Platform 1 is to introduce the importance of the esports industry to schools across the country. This exploding industry is ready and waiting for talented people with the right skills to help it grow even farther and faster. Platform 1 by Esports Integration is here to help you develop your students to be ready to do just that. And Platform 1 is everything you need to develop a top-level esports program. When you are partnering with us, you will be getting the blueprints for facility planning and design, equipment and hardware specifications, league and team development, marketing and branding, roadmap and business development, and curriculum integration. And best of all, you will be getting our help and the help of our partners along the way. In our next few videos, we will be highlighting some of our partners on the hardware side of things. And the first partner we are excited to tell you about is ACER. Listen, gaming is obviously the driving force behind the esports industry. And between all the different consoles, mobile devices, and gaming computers, hardware is getting more complex and more powerful every day. And add in the need for streaming, video editing, and graphic design, advancements in hardware are happening at a rapid pace. Now, a common misconception about esports is that it is just a group of people sitting around playing video games, while other people watch them play these games. But the reality is that it is so much more than just gaming. Everything from IT and broadcasting to graphic design and game development, the esports industry has many different job opportunities, and most of them center around the understanding of how different hardware components work together. When considering a path in esports, having a knowledge of how these elements work is super important. With that fact in mind, our curriculum path includes teaching students about the individual hardware components that make up these systems by showing them how to build their own computer. While there are many different manufacturers out there that offer these different build-your-own PC solutions, our partnership with ACER provides seamless integration into our curriculum. With the ACER DIY computer, your students will learn how to put a PC together from the ground up and learn what the components do along the way. Everything from motherboards and logic boards to processors, RAM, and hard drives, the ACER DIY computer will show students the ins and outs of computer hardware design. Through the knowledge gained through this program, your student will be equipped with the skills that are valuable across many different industries, especially the esports industry. In our next couple of videos, we will be highlighting more of our partnerships, and you won't want to miss those. Continue to follow us as we release more videos about how Platform 1 is leading the charge to offer your school a complete scholastic program that will set up your students for a successful career in esports.